This is the all-new Tecno Spark Slim, the world's finest 3D curved smartphone. Well, according to Tecno at least. Coming at 5.93mm, it is 0.33mm thicker than the iPhone Air, which is honestly negligible, considering the Tecno Spark Slim goes for a price of 298,000 naira. So, how was Tecno able to achieve what Apple couldn't, and is it a smartphone you should buy? Well, these questions and more will be answered in the course of this video. So kindly click on that like button so that more people can get to see this video, and that subscribe button as well. And yeah, let's get started. Unboxing the Tecno Spark Slim, we get the charging brick, a screen protector, clear TPU case, and the phone itself. You know, the typical unboxing experience of nowadays. The Tecno Spark Slim is made out of fiberglass reinforced plastic with an IP64 dust and water resistance rating. It also comes in two colors, which are white and black. Which color do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Still on the rear, the Tecno Spark Slim looks like it has a dual camera setup, but it's actually just 150 megapixel sensor. That said, around it is what Tecno is calling a mood light, which you can use to tell if you have notifications, calls, and it even lights up when you are charging. The display is a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED panel with a 1.5K resolution at 1224 by 2720 pixels. And for those who don't know, 1.5K is basically a fancy way of saying the display is higher than 1080p, which is 1K, but less than 1440p, which is 2K. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i with up to 1600 nits at high brightness mode and 4500 nits at the max, only for short periods of time. Also, the Tecno Spark Slim supports a 144Hz refresh rate. Kinda, if you know, you know. Watching content on the Tecno Spark Slim is alright. The colors are nice and scrolling feels responsive. Frankly, with how light this smartphone is, you can just scroll through social media endlessly without feeling any discomfort in your hands. It also features an under-display optical fingerprint scanner, then even a dual stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos, which is something even the iPhone Air doesn't give you. Software is Android 15 with HiOS 15.1. The UI is pretty much what we are familiar with when it comes to transient devices. We have a lot of features such as floating windows, a screen recorder, always on display, and many more. And also, don't even forget about the countless AI features. Now, performance on the Tecno Spark Slim is obviously not iPhone Air levels, but for 300,000 naira, it meets expectations. I mean, it's running on the recently released MediaTek Helio G200, which allows for snappy opening of day-to-day applications, multitasking, a bit of light gaming as well, coupled with its 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage that cannot be expanded. Yes, there is no micro SD card slots. Coming back to the rear, we get this 50 megapixel camera that is capable of taking okay photos and 1080p videos under good lighting conditions. But you can definitely tell it's not a camera, focused smartphone. Now, I am honestly surprised on how Tecno was able to fit a 5160 mAh battery in a smartphone as thin as this. It's honestly crazy the kind of fit silicon carbon battery technology has enabled us to achieve in this few months. I mean, the silicon carbon technology was debuted in the first production device, I think December last year, which, I mean, in the span of 1 year, the improvements have really been, crazy. On top of that, the Tecno Spark Slim supports 45 watts fast charging, so 0 to 100% in slightly over 1 hour, which is once again very impressive. Other charging features include bypass charging for the gamers and also reverse wired charging. So maybe you have a friend that has, an iPhone Air, then you can charge his iPhone Air with your Tecno Spark Slim, which, I mean, it's crazy. But yeah, what are your thoughts on the Tecno Spark Slim? Frankly, I think it's commendable what Tecno has done with this device, and especially keeping it at a fairly or a relatively affordable price point. But yeah, I'd like to know your own thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.